Please?
I really don't want to do this.
Sir, I'm asking, there's a protocol. Believe me, sir, I went to law school, sir. There's a protocol. If I ask for a supervisor, one must be provided in the field. I'm not trying to be an asshole, sir. What is it? Minnick? Officer Minnick, what is your badge number, sir? I'm not trying to be an asshole. I just came here. I've been driving all day. I'm trying to find out where I'm going. That's why I had my GPS pulled up, and you're stopping me and harassing me. I am an American citizen, and I do know my rights, sir. I'm not trying to be an asshole.
The reason I stopped you is your failure to display license plates on your car.
You don't know that, sir. You don't know that. You don't know if they're on the front or the back. You haven't checked.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
No, sir. I'm not. What I'm saying is, you have failed to uphold your duty as a public official, obeying the law itself. You didn't check the front of my car. You don't know if there's plates in the front of my car, did you? Do you? Did you check the front of my car, sir? Sir, did you check the front of my car? You did? Do you know how this has been recorded the whole time, right? Since I got out of the car?
That's great. I'm glad.
And you haven't moved. You haven't moved, sir.
Okay. We were driving opposite directions in traffic. I saw the front.
No, you didn't, sir. You just told me you didn't see it. You just told me you checked. You went around and checked the front of my car. You just said on camera. You just said it on camera, sir.
Is it just you in the car or anybody else?
No, it's just me. I'm coming. It does not matter, sir. I have a right to remain silent. I'm asking for your supervisor, Mr. Officer Minnick. I'm not being combative.
I'm not getting my supervisor because you're not complying with the instructions.
Just because you're an officer of the law doesn't mean you have a right. You can't break the law. What you're doing is you're under a presumption of law right now. We're not acting under presumptions. Sir, please respectfully. This is being recorded. I'm not being combative. My hands are right here.
Here's the deal. I don't want to have to do this.
Are you threatening me, sir?
No, I'm not.
You're making a threat towards me, sir. I'm being compliant. You're threatening me. You said I don't want to have to do this. I'm not doing anything wrong. I haven't broke no laws. No laws at all. I have not broken a law. You cannot incite one law that I've broken. Sir, can you please tell me the law I have broken? Can you tell me the law I've broken first? The legit law, because you don't know what law I've broken. You did not check the front of my car. You pulled me over based on the assumption and the presumption of your own conclusions, which is an illegal search and seizure, an illegal stop. All this is illegal right now. It is, sir. And you know that's why you don't want to call your supervisor. That's why you don't want to call your supervisor. My hands are right here. Everything being recorded. I'm not being belligerent. I'm not making no moves. I'm not giving you no reason.
I stopped you for traffic violation.
But you don't know that, sir. Did you?
The reason for the traffic violation was your failure to display license plates.
But did you check the front of my car? You already said no. You already said yes, but you have been moving.
I stopped you for a traffic violation. You're legally obligated to identify yourself.
No, I'm not, sir. Traffic citations are not crimes. And then under articulate rules of suspicion, you have to suspect I have committed a crime, in the middle of committing a crime, or about to commit a crime, in order for me to hand over my information. But I have done neither, because really what your claim is an infraction. Infractions are not crimes.
We'll deal with that. We'll work for that.
I haven't refused to do anything. I'm simply asking you to identify the articulate steps that you have taken. You're required under reasonableness of law, and you haven't. You failed. You failed to do your job, officer. I'm not trying to be an asshole.
Are you employed?
Yes, I employ myself. That is what that DOT number is. I'm a self-employed. I have my own business. I am registered under the U.S. DOT. That right there. All that is legit. So have you ran that?
What do you do for work?
I have a cleaning service. Did you run that DOT number?
Do I?
Sir, you have to run that DOT number.
Have I ever told you how to do your job?
No, sir, but I know the law. I'm not trying to tell you how to do your job. I'm trying to educate you. No, I'm not trying to say you're ignorant, sir.
I wouldn't stop you and try to educate you on how to do your cleaning business.
But if you knew how to clean better than I would, I'd be receptive to the advice.
Apparently,
you know, ignorance of the law is no excuse, sir.
The law.
But you know, ignorance of the law is no excuse. It's because you're ignorant of what the law says. No, I do this for a living. I went to school I went to law school, sir.
Okay.
I went to law school. Okay, so you understand, you got to train in regulations, policies, procedures, okay? Not constitutional law. I've had many discussions with sheriffs themselves. First of all, and now I'll be making a complaint with your sheriff. I will be, because this is illegal search and seizure. You're seizing me right now for no lawful reason, and I will be filing a lawsuit against you, holding you accountable in your personal and official capacity. Cool.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm not.
To watch this video in court. Can't wait. Looking forward to it. So, for the last time, are you refusing?
Sir, I have a right to remain silent. So if you're going to arrest me for asserting my rights, then you're in breach of constitutional law. So I have a right to remain silent. I'm invoking that right now. Wait, catches both of us. There we go.
Have you had like negative interactions with law enforcement in the past?
No, sir, it's not that. I'm an American patriot. I'm a true patriot. I've studied law. I've studied the Articles of Confederation, the Declaration of Independence. I've studied the Constitution. I've read all the Federalist Papers. I've studied the law in and out. I know what the Declaration of Independence says. That Constitution secures our rights. Doesn't grant us anything. It doesn't grant us anything, sir. So therefore, I have a right, okay? And anything that violates my rights, in the Supreme Court of the United States, the highest court of the land, said, if a state entity or official is willfully and knowingly violating your rights. See, why is all this unnecessary, sir? All this is unnecessary. I haven't done anything wrong. I got it all recorded, sir. I'm just been here chilling.
All right, bring us back up.